Hi friends, so let's make a salad. Our dressing is ready, everything is ready. Just have to cut it and put it inside it. So now first we'll cut a salad nicely. You can see here. Yes. So now you can see my salad is ready, and let's add a salad dressing into it like this. Just give it a soft mix like this. Just mix it. Smile and make a salad more healthier. This. So friends, my salad is just ready to eat. My special spoon. Let's taste it. Yummy. This is the special pineapple wine for weight loss. Wonderful. Oh, I just forgot to tell you, friends, if you like my salad, you can like, follow and support my video, friends. Thank you very much. Good night.